Hey guys, it's Environment and what's good? So here again on my channel, we're doing another food reaction. And right here with me, we have this snack. Yeah, I mean, no, this snack, not me. You know, because I'm a snack. Right, so it's in this cool box thing. So it's actually a condiment snack, and I got this while on one of my travels, my tour of Europe and particularly France. The ingredients: guayaba fruit, so that's guava. There's guava, there's sugar, sorbato de potasio. That's a preservative ingredient. Yeah. And there's artificial coloring. All right, not bad. Well, I have no idea what this will be like, but I hope it's good. When I was young, I didn't particularly like guava, but I sort of liked it eventually. It's not bad. The guava is really strong, but it's really sugary. I don't know what my face looks like, but don't watch my facial expression, please don't. It's not bad. It's just not particularly for me. And here I'm tasting it again. Just doing this for you guys. It's quite sugary. There's evidently sugar. Yeah, the guava is very strong. So if you like guava, you will definitely enjoy this. But it feels really sugary. Out of calories. Let me see. The calories is like 330 out of 1,386. So it's a lot. And the sugar is actually 74 grams. Oh, there. Alright, so that's it guys. So if there are any comments down below, just simply let me know. What do you think of that? Is this one of your favorite snacks? If not, what's your favorite condiment snack? So anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscription button and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so maybe always notified when I make an upload. And you guys, to all my Colombian friends out there, if you're not from Colombia, you're from another part of Latin America, or even here in Europe, in Spain, or there's a place in the continent of Africa that speaks Spanish, Guinea, I think, Guinea Equatorial. If you're wherever you're from that speaks Spanish, let me know down in the comments down below. Let me know your favorite snack. Maybe it's possible for me to try something else. So anyways guys, see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
Perro.